Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today we're gonna make pregnancy meals in Japan, Volume 2. And this is for middle stage of pregnancy. So let's say about 4 to 6 months. In this stage, I remember I had a lightheadedness. Sometimes. I'm not sure it was because of my congenital reason or pregnancy reason. But if you have similar situation, you definitely need iron. And again, you can take the tablet to get the nutrition. But I like to have the nutrition from the natural foods. So today, I will share my favorite iron recipes. I will use burdock, beef, and turnips, and clam. So with using those ingredients, I created the menu. As for carbohydrate and also main dish, we will make beef and burdock donburi, miso soup with clam and turnips, and tuna and komatsuna salad. I hope you enjoy those menus. And again, my helpers, Mario and Luigi, they will be joining with us. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So the pregnancy meals in Japan, volume 2, iron recipes are done. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Okay, as usual, I'll start to sip the miso soup. The soup has a lot of flavor from clams and it goes well with miso. So many umami and flavor from the ocean. Do you like clams? Please let me know. Okay, next let's try the main dish, Donburi. Nice flavor from dashi soup stock. Japanese beef is so tender and so soft. The juice from every ingredient will absorb in the beef. The rice is fluffy. The texture and the flavor from the burdock is also good. I recommend to put shichimi togarashi, 7 spices. Oh, so many red colors. And let's see how that flavor changed. Wow. This shichimi togarashi has very spicy and hot flavor. Let's change the palette. Komatsuna and tuna salad. The texture of komatsuna is also chunky. Tuna adds a good flavor to the komatsuna. Dried shrimp, sakura ebi is an accent for this dish. ごちそうさまでした. Here are the tips and recommendations for today's dishes. Tip. So this is a meals for middle stage of pregnancy. So seasoning is a little bit less than usual. So if you need a bit more saltiness, please add a little bit salt or soy sauce to adjust. But I recommend to be less salt. And tip to make tuna and komatsuna salad. The point is not to stir fry too long. Otherwise, the texture of komatsuna will be saggy. So please lightly stir fry, same as tuna and also sakura ebi, fried shrimp. Tip to make the miso soup with clam and turnips. I recommend to put the water and salt over the clams and keep it for, let's say, overnight before cooking so that you don't need to eat sand. So how was today's video? Here's Sui-chan! Hello! Sui-chan also enjoyed today's dishes, but she didn't eat the curry powder one. Maybe it's a little bit spicy for the children. So thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye!